because this is the rematch between these two teams.
Well, major adjustments, particularly since Meralco will be bringing back Cancino at saka si Brickman. Those two guys sat out the last two games. Meralco, in terms of turnover points, 18-8. Pangalawa, I think they need to box out Hester. Alam natin, Hester is an inside operator. That's exactly what they did that time, while rather Magnolia, but while Meralco is averaging 22.5 assists a game, Magnolia needs to be able to stop those assists. Number one, they need to block the rollers ng Magnolia, especially off those pick and rolls. Lucero and Ian Sangalang, those guys are excellent rollers on the pick and roll, as you see Chris Newsom.
Like Cancino at si Maliksi. Milan Carlo.
Thank you so much for that report. Cancino drives baseline, umatake, dinala pa sa ilalim. Oh, that gorgeous reverse layup.
We're missing in the last two games of Meralco, but they connected very well. But Cancino, his versatility to score from the inside. Si Buffin, paparandam kagad.
Buffin gets it. Kontra sa depensa ni Newsom. Strong attack. At siya lang talaga yung pumupuntos for Magnolia. All 7 points of his squad. Magnolia, hot shots para subukang hintuin itong si Hester. Samantala, ganda ng pasa palabas. Dito kay De La Rosa. Finally, a local scorer for the hot shots.
Di ba yung tinatawag natin na Spain pick and roll? The roller, looking for an outside guy.
In the screener action.
Yun.
Meanwhile,
he's really there for the rebounding and for the putbacks.
tayo papalit sa kanya.
Ito na naman.
Ian Sangalang. Meanwhile, Antonio Hester scoring another bucket inside. Tatanggap ng bola si Mark. PP hit, iikot, pero nandyan pa rin yung depensa ni Brickman. Hawk mula kay De La Rosa. He backs it home. As you know, he is a defensive specialist samantala. Bumpin. The kick to the corner, three-point shot, sobra, Barroca, offensive rebound at putback. Itong si Antonio Hester, siya na rin ang magbababa ng bola para sa Bolts. Newsom, gagamitin yung screen. Goes on the drive, layup is good para kay Chris Newsom.
Cancino actually didn't go up on offense. He might be a little tired of that two-game layoff.
Mahirap naman talaga bumalik agad-agad dito after batting an illness.
Kanya naman tatlo na ang papalit kagad ng Meralco at the next situation.
All of 3, wala yan para kay Bumpin. Si Meralco magkakaroon ng pagkakataon dagdagan itong 4 na puntos na kalamangan. Poposte itong si Antonio Hester. Import kontra import. Sinusukat ni Hester. Biglang tumira. Face-up jumper is good.
That's not supposed to be.
Ng Meralco Bolts, Lastimosa, Paul Lee, Ian Sangalang. Yukin Entrada coming off the bench. Ganda ng pasa sa loob. Big to big. Down to 6 points. The drive mula kay Sangalang. Tapos naiwanan na walang nasa harap. Itong si Yukin Andrada. 22-16. A 6-point advantage. Sangalang ibibigay kay Paul Lee. Ngayon pupunta sa kanto. Andrada. Tres naman ngayon. A quick burst of 5 points from Yukin.
On defense, and that's something that we're gonna watch.
Pasa sa labas. Aaron Black. 3-point shot is good for AB.